Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow elephant. Let's get started. Let's learn together how to draw an elephant. At first, I'm going to draw his two cute eyes. Then his long elephant nose. And finally, the shape of his head with two big elephant ears. Now let's draw his body. With his 4 legs, and his tail. Finally, I draw some water drops around her nose. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of our cute elephant, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I'll use red for his ears. Orange for his head. Yellow for his tail. Light green here. I use light blue for the water drops. I color his nails dark blue. I use light purple for his 4 legs. And I color the rest of his body fuchsia. I finish the coloring with green for the grass. And I add some light blue into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.